Okay, so welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian. Welcome to English with Adrian. And if you want to learn English, expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence, and if you want to speak English like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Right, let's get started then. So, open-ended questions. What is it? What is it? So, it's a question that can't be answered with a yes or a no, or an A or a B, this or that, one or two, or 1, 2, or 3 or 4. It's open-ended. The answer could be anything. You know, if I say, is this blue? Yes or no? Yes or no. It's binary. This or that or this. Yes. But they can say, what shade of blue is this? I've no idea. You could say anything. What books do I have here? Don't know. It could be anything. There's no choice. It's just what? So many books. No idea. No idea. So can't be answered with a yes or a no, or other choice, or the multiple choices. And the formation of the sentence depends on the main verb. So the main verb affects the way it's all structured, which is interesting to consider. So we could say then, what is your name? Not just yes or no, it's what's your name? Again, it could be anything. Anything. What is your job? But if you say, do you like your job? Yes or no, or maybe. It's a lot more closed off. It's a lot more binary. Yes, no, yeah. But what is your job? I don't know, it could be anything. Yeah. Why? Why am I tired? Why am I tired? I didn't get enough sleep. Yeah. That could be a reason. Yeah. Why am I tired? Why? Where is the house? Where is your house? Where is your house? Over here? Over there? Over there? Where's your house? It goes somewhere around here. I don't know which one. Where is it? So let's look at the way the sentences are made. So the question word, and there's about nine of those. Where, what, why, whom, where, when. So in this case it's what. What? What? With the be form, is or was. What is? Happening or ongoing. What was? Something in the past. What is your job? What's your job now? What is it? Oh, my job. It is blah 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 blah. English teacher. Yeah. What was your job? What was your job? Well, what was my job before English teaching? Working in a video game studio. Yeah. Well, interesting. Okay. So, what is your job? What is your strength? What's your strengths? What's your weaknesses? Oh, what was that? What was that? We don't know. We don't know what it was. What was it? Look, a distraction. What was that? Don't know. No choices. Just don't know. Yeah. Cool. Oh yeah. Cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. That's the basis. Let's keep going. So let's look at these open questions with other verbs. So when there is no auxiliary, then we add do. Do is added then. So question words normally followed by an auxiliary verb. Not always, but it depends. So who should I talk to? Who should I talk to? Who do you eat? Or when did you eat breakfast? When did you eat breakfast? When do you read? When do you read? Who do you talk to, by the way? Who do you talk to? Him, her, them? Who do you talk to? Where do you learn English? Where do you want to travel? Want, learn. Where do you go on a Friday night. Ah. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does that mean? The writing there, what does that mean? Don't know. When does the party start? When does the notification end? When does the paperwork finish? When does it finish? Yeah. So let's look at the way the sentences are made then. Question word, in this case when. When, who, where, what, when, why. When plus the auxiliary verb. When do and a subject, you, and a verb, travel. When do I speak? When do I speak? When do I speak? When do they ever listen? Listen. Come on, listen. Listen. When did you buy the game? When did you buy the game? When did you buy the game? When should, the future tense, so do is, I guess it's present. When do you travel? Yeah, present tense. When are you going to travel? About the future. Talking about the future. When did, the past, when did you travel? When? 2010, 2019. When should, the future, 2020, 2021. When should you explore the world? When should you explore the world? That's a good one. I'm not sure. When should you explore the world? When should you learn English? Yeah. When should you learn English? Very good. Yeah, very good. Okay. Yeah. So it's interesting then. So if no auxiliary, we had do is added. But sometimes question words are normally followed by an auxiliary. So who should, when do, when did, what does, when does, what does this mean, why does that happen? Yeah, interesting. When creating open questions with verbs. When does this happen? When does the tree grow? How long does it eat? When do the dogs eat? When do the dogs eat? When do people sleep? When does the party start? Yeah. Okay. Cool. But when you want to learn more English and you want to expand your vocabulary and speak with greater confidence, not to mention when you want to speak like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads and videos. Until then, bye for now.